Hi, first graders. Good morning. So today for your asynchronous reading, you are going to go to your HSD2 portal. You're going to click on Wonders Grade 1, and you're going to click on the picture that has like an assignment, like pen and pencil, paper thing that we always click on. You're looking for these 3 assignments today. We're really focusing on grammar and practicing with some grammar activities. So the first thing you're going to do is listen to the grammar song. Then you're going to open up this mechanics activity. Honestly, I don't care which one you do first. You can choose which one you want to do first, but you have to do both. So let's look at them together. The directions. All right, here is the mechanics activity. So this one, it says to find the errors. We've done this a couple times. So you find the error. This one, it says he had a black cap. There's a period at the end, but you always have to start a sentence with a capital letter. So we click on the first word and we click on the uppercase indicator until it becomes a capitalized letter. Check it.
Good job.
And it says we're correct, and there are 25 for us to do. After you've completed all 25, you can go to the grammar activity. This one's about statements. Now I know that we've done this one before, but it's always good to practice. So it might seem familiar, but that's okay. In this one, we have, if it's a statement, you drag it to the yes bin. If it's not a statement, you drag it to the no bin. So I can come back. I know who's the subject in the sentence. I know what they're doing. I know where they're going. That's a full statement. There's a period at the end. So yes. In my class. What about your class? I don't understand. That's not a complete statement. It doesn't start with a capitalized letter. There's no period at the end. There's not enough information. Not a complete statement. Cass had what? Right? There's no period at the end. I don't know what Cass had. It's not complete, so it goes in the no column. Once you do them all, you can check them, and then you can do the next 2 that are in the list. All right, first graders, have a great rest of your day. Enjoy your weekend, and I'll see you on Monday.